What's up, YouTube? So look, we back with another video, back with another banger. Today we're going to be going over the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 video camera. I'm going to be using it specifically for vlogging. You're going to see a lot of my workout videos and a lot of my traveling content as well. So I'm actually excited to go over this one. So y'all stay tuned and let's get it. Now this is really dope. The first thing I actually pulled out was his own carrying case. That's what actually comes with this content creators package. Getting the extra accessories is a big reason I wanted this version instead of the standard packaging. And just by my first impressions, it feels actually pretty good. It's easy to carry around. I think I will actually still probably put it in another bag or something, like if I'm out on the beach or something like that. I'll probably just have it in another bag, but it feels pretty lightweight. It feels like it has great quality, and it also feels like it's waterproof as well. So here we go, guys. Here's the actual camera. And I like that you can actually modify it how you actually want it to sit. I'm going to have to play around with it to get some more experience with it, but I definitely like the feel in the way this actually feels on my hand and the comfort level that it actually brings. And it's very discreet as well. What else is in here? Other than that, we have a couple batteries, and we also have the tripod stand in there. So here's part of the tripod stand. I guess you have to put it together. Whenever you're ready to start recording, you want to stack your camera up on something. But here's the actual battery that comes with the actual camera. And again, now here's the actual microphone and the mic transmitter. Now this is huge because better audio can actually make or break your videos. A lot of people tend to focus on the video quality, but they sometimes forget about the audio quality of videos. But if your audio is bad, the entire video will definitely suffer. And again, guys, it also came with a 128 gigabyte extreme memory card, which is nice because that means I can pretty much start shooting right away. This bundle also comes with editing software starter kit. So overall, this feels more like a full beginner to creator package than just buying a camera by itself. Okay, it looks like I'll probably just have to download the code from my phone, and then I can begin and start doing my editing. Now, what stands out to me about this camera is actually about how small it is. That's probably one of the biggest advantages. I can already tell that this is actually going to be way easier to carry around in a larger camera setup, or me just constantly having my phone out. I actually think the screen looks great as well, and I like the feel. It actually feels very simple and enough to grab and use without overthinking it. Alright, so now that I have the setup all complete, it actually didn't take very long. It took me all of 10 seconds to actually set it up, and by the looks of it, I love it so far. So it has the power button here, and it also has this joystick that you can actually use to move around as you're working your camera. It seems like a very basic, simple setup. You flip your screen, and then it turns right on, and you're able to start working your magic. Alright guys, so I've actually been wanting a compact camera to carry around as I do my vlogs. I often travel a lot, as you can see in my videos, and I have many different experiences from traveling to different cities, states, and countries, and also capturing a lot of my workouts in my fitness journey. So this camera, I think, is actually going to be pretty perfect for the journey that I'm coming on, and I want you guys to share that journey along with me. So first thing out of the box, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera itself, and it also labels it creator combo. Now, I actually like this. Based on the packaging, it actually seems pretty premium, and it actually is pretty lightweight. Next thing we have out the box is the microphone. Good thing about this, they actually come with 2 microphones, and with these microphones, you're able to clip it on your shirt, or if you're actually wearing a hat, you'll be able to clip it on the hat to make sure you're capturing the best sound for the quality of your videos. Another thing that they actually provide with the packaging is a microfiber cleaning cloth. As you all know, if you're recording with your cell phones or if you're recording with your cameras, a lot of times our lenses get quite dirty. So this is actually pretty awesome. And another thing this actually comes with is a memory card slot use slot for your memory cards. And last but not least, with the creator combo, you get a 128 gigabyte memory card. Now this is actually going to come in clutch because you all know how expensive these memory cards are, and then along with the packaging, it's easy going to be keeping up with them. Alright guys, so based on my first impressions, do I think the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera is worth the $769? That verdict is still out as of now. After I get a chance to play around with the camera and be able to record some videos and take some great pictures, then I'll come back and do an actual review video for you guys and give you an updated review. But as of now, I definitely think it's a great camera. It's compact. It feels like it's going to create a lot of different great quality content. And it's actually, I love the case. I love the camera. I love how it looks. I love how it feels. All in all, just based on first impressions, I definitely think this is something worth it and great for content creators like myself. Don't forget, guys, like the video, subscribe to the video, and share it with your friends. All right, I'm out. Salute.